The United States has seen over 10 million cases of COVID-19 and has seen over 200,000 COVID related deaths since the beginning of this pandemic. I want to discuss with you today what COVID-19 is and how easily it can be spread from person to person so that we can all work together as a country to help slow the spread of COVID-19. We must first recognize it as a major problem in our country. Secondly, explore how easily it can be spread. And lastly, discuss solutions on how we can help slow this virus down. COVID-19 is a contagious respiratory virus. It first originated in Wuhan, China, and is now the cause of a global pandemic in the United States. COVID-19 can affect people in many different ways, from them being asymptomatic to the most severe cases of people passing away. The virus can affect many other organs in the body aside from the lungs. As stated on the CDC website last updated in September of 2020, because it's a new virus, scientists are learning more about it every day. COVID-19 is a new virus caused by the novel or new coronavirus that has not previously been seen in humans. When a person becomes infected with the new severe acute respiratory syndrome, it causes COVID-19. The Texas Health and Human Services website, last updated on November 9, 2020, states that the best way to prevent infection is to take steps to avoid possible exposure to the virus. These steps are similar to those steps you would take to avoid the flu virus. Some steps that can be taken are to wash your hands frequently, avoid touching your face, covering your coughs or sneezes, social distancing yourself from others up to 6 feet, and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces. The most important way to slow the spread of COVID-19 is to wear a face covering, whether it be a cloth face covering or a surgical face covering, covering both the nose and the mouth. The Johns Hopkins Medicine website published on July 28, 2020, wearing a mask when in close proximity to others is imperative to slow the spread of COVID-19. A lot of people don't display symptoms of the virus, but they can still be contagious and still spread the virus to others by droplets that leave the mouth when they talk, sneeze, cough, or even sing. Masks have been scientifically proven as they help keep all your germs and secretions to yourself inside the mask. I know by wearing a mask that I can play an important role in slowing the spread of a virus that has caused many hardships and heartbreaks to numerous families in our country. COVID-19 is a major pandemic in our country. We as a country need to recognize it as a problem, know how easily it can be spread from person to person, and know what we can do to slow the spread of COVID-19. I'd like to close today with a quote from book writer Allie Carter, in which she posted on her Twitter page. I see a lot of people being like, I would survive coronavirus. I'm taking my chances. The way I see it is, yeah, I'd survive it, but I might carry it to someone who wouldn't. Please do your part in taking all proper precautions and wearing a mask to help slow the spread of COVID-19. You never know whose life you may save. Thank you.